Unbeatable deal. Walmart's $97 sturdy and smooth gliding rocking chair. Walmart's $73 wicker patio set. Comfy, stylish, and 61% off. Sun with face. Better Homes and Gardens 5-piece patio set from Walmart. Looks expensive. Walmart's $500 patio set for $230. Unboxing and review. Target's biggest outdoor sale of the year. 60% off. Unbeatable deal. Walmart's $97 sturdy and smooth gliding rocking chair. There's something undeniably peaceful about the gentle rhythm of a rocking chair, a simple pleasure that instantly evokes feelings of relaxation and summertime ease. But finding a quality rocking chair that doesn't break the bank can be a real challenge. If you've been dreaming of adding one to your porch or garden, you're in luck. Walmart is currently offering a fantastic deal on the Serwall Outdoor Rocking Chair, bringing the price down from $200 to just $97. Outdoor furniture is often seen as an investment in creating a comfortable and inviting outdoor living space. While full patio sets are popular, sometimes all you need is a single, well-placed chair to transform your porch into a tranquil retreat. A rocking chair, in particular, offers that soothing motion that's perfect for unwinding with a cool drink and enjoying the warm weather. Now, you might be thinking, a $97 rocking chair? What's the catch? That's a fair question. This chair is constructed from a durable, wood-like HDPE material designed to withstand the elements. It's available in a surprisingly wide range of 14 colors, from classic neutrals like black, white, and gray, to more vibrant options like lime green, red, and light blue, ensuring you can find one to perfectly complement your existing outdoor decor. The design also incorporates wide armrests and a high back for enhanced comfort and support, making those long summer evenings even more enjoyable. And this is the part most people miss: assembly is incredibly straightforward. The manufacturer claims it can be put together in just 4 steps, taking approximately 20 minutes. No complicated tools or frustrating instructions. Plus, it's completely waterproof, meaning you don't have to rush to bring it inside at the first sign of rain. Its resistance to rust and fading further adds to its longevity, making it a practical choice for various climates. But don't just take our word for it. Customers are raving about this chair. One reviewer shared, "It's solid, beautifully designed, and the rocking motion is." Walmart's $73 wicker patio set. Comfy, stylish, and 61% off. Sun with face. Nothing captures the essence of summer quite like creating your own outdoor sanctuary. But what if you could transform your patio into a stylish retreat without draining your wallet? Buckle up, because Walmart is currently running a jaw-dropping deal that's turning heads. A charming 3-piece wicker patio set, originally priced at $185, is now an unbelievable $73. That's a staggering 61% discount. While bargain hunters are raving about this deal, it begs the question, can such a deeply discounted outdoor set truly deliver on both quality and aesthetics? Let's unpack what makes this deal so intriguing. Picture this: 2 plush armchairs accompanied by a sleek end table, all designed for intimate outdoor relaxation. The set's framework uses lightweight yet robust stainless steel, wrapped in hand-woven PE rattan wicker. For beginners wondering about materials, PE, polyethylene, rattan isn't natural vine but a synthetic alternative engineered to resist weather damage, fading, and cracking, meaning it stays lush season after season. The tempered glass tabletop isn't just elegant, it's shatterproof and perfect for holding drinks or books safely. Even stability is covered. Anti-skid feet on each chair prevent slips on decks or patios. But here's where it gets controversial. Can furniture this affordable actually impress discerning homeowners? Shoppers emphatically say yes. One reviewer gushes, "Beyond comfy and shockingly easy to assemble, it instantly elevated our deck's look." Another highlights its sleek design that blends seamlessly with any outdoor style, praising its unexpected durability. That's a powerful endorsement for a set under $75. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. When prices plummet this dramatically, should skepticism override excitement? Some might argue that such steep discounts hint at compromised quality or hidden flaws. But counter that with real-world testimonials celebrating its great structure and versatility. Where do you stand? Have you ever taken a chance on a super discounted item that wildly surpassed expectations? Or did a too-good-to-be-true deal leave you disappointed? We're all ears. Share your bargain hunting triumphs or cautionary tales below. Grab this tax-in set now at Walmart while stocks last. But fair warning, deals this hot tend to vanish faster than ice cream in July. Will you be one of the savvy few who snag this patio upgrade, or will hesitation cost you the summer's most talked about outdoor bargain? The clock's ticking. Better Homes and Gardens 5-piece patio set from Walmart looks expensive. Imagine finding a patio furniture set that looks like it costs a fortune but is actually a steal. That's exactly what we've stumbled upon with this incredible 5-piece set.
Decorating.
Furniture.
Shopping.
Published 2 days ago. We independently select these products. If you buy from one of our links, we may earn a commission. All prices were accurate at the time of publishing. If you're looking to elevate your outdoor living space without breaking the bank, this might be just the ticket. Upgrading from a basic 2-chair and table setup can transform your patio into a cozy gathering spot. The Better Homes and Gardens Astrid 5-piece outdoor conversation set, available for $744 at Walmart, is a fantastic choice for those who want a stylish, functional, and affordable option for their outdoor area. Hashtag, what is the Better Homes and Gardens Astrid 5-piece outdoor conversation set? This set includes 2 armchairs, a sofa, and 2 round tables of varying sizes. The furniture is crafted from powder-coated steel with a wood grain finish, giving it a lightweight and modern aesthetic. The white cushions are made from all-weather 3M Scotchgard fabric, ensuring they can withstand the elements. The light faux wood design and simple, neutral cushions create a welcoming and summery vibe. Plus, the neutral colors serve as a perfect backdrop for adding your own personal touches, such as colorful outdoor accent pillows. The sofa measures just over 77 inches in length, making it a natural focal point for your outdoor space. The 2 tables come in different dimensions, 25.59 by 16.93 inches and 18.5 by 20.08 inches. One table is shorter and wider, ideal for use as a coffee table or snack station, while the other is taller with a smaller top, perfect for holding drinks or decorative plants. The sofa can support up to 500 pounds, and each chair can handle 250 pounds. While the steel construction is rust-resistant and the cushions are designed for all-weather use, it's still wise to protect your investment. Consider using a furniture cover or bringing the set indoors during harsh weather conditions, or when you won't be using your patio for extended periods. One of the best features of this set is its versatility. With multiple seating options and tables for various purposes, it's ideal for hosting summer gatherings. The neutral color palette ensures it will blend seamlessly with any existing decor, and it pairs beautifully with an indoor-outdoor rug to complete the look. So, are you ready to kick off your summer patio parties in style? This set is a must-have for anyone looking to create a comfortable and inviting outdoor space. By Better Homes and Gardens Astrid 5-piece outdoor conversation set, $744. Filed in. Walmart's $500 patio set for $230. Unboxing and review. Imagine this, a stunning $500 outdoor patio set, now available for just $230 at Walmart. That's right, the Lausanne Home 3-piece patio set is not only a sight to behold with its chic, bohemian design, but also a steal that's making waves among shoppers. But here's where it gets controversial. Is it really worth it? Let's dive deeper. This set includes 2 swivel rocking chairs and a stylish 2-tier coffee table. Perfect for small patios or cozy backyard corners, each chair offers a full 360-degree swivel and gentle rocking motion, ensuring maximum relaxation. The plush 4-inch seat cushions and 6-inch back cushions add an extra layer of comfort, while the coffee table's dual tiers provide ample space for your drinks, snacks, or even a potted plant. Crafted with durability in mind, the set features weather-resistant PE wicker and a powder-coated metal frame, making it resilient against the elements. The adjustable foot pads are a thoughtful addition for uneven surfaces, and each chair can comfortably support up to 300 pounds. Shoppers are raving about this set, giving it an impressive 4.7-star rating. One satisfied customer described it as super comfy and super happy with their purchase. Another praised its beauty, comfort, and functionality. Many noted its suitability for smaller spaces, with one reviewer saying it fits perfectly on my tiny house porch, and we use this set daily. And this is the part most people miss. Despite its affordability, the set is sturdy and well-built. Shoppers were pleasantly surprised by its weight and quality, considering the price. As one happy buyer put it, good for the price. Easy to assemble. Look and function as pictured. If you've been dreaming of upgrading your patio without breaking the bank, now might be the perfect time to snag the Lao St. Home 3-piece patio set. Offering comfort, style, and solid quality at a discounted price of $230, it's a deal that's hard to resist. But don't wait too long. This offer won't last forever. So what do you think? Is this patio set a must-have, or is it too good to be true? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Target's biggest outdoor sale of the year, 60% off. Get ready for the most exciting outdoor sale of the year at Target, where prices have been dramatically reduced by a staggering 60%. Updated on July 4th, 2025, at 6:32 p.m. Published on July 4th, 2025, at 6:20 p.m. by Ashley Dill Adel at PennLive.com. As summer unfolds, it presents an ideal chance to embrace the joys of outdoor living. If you're eager to revamp your outdoor areas, Target has kicked off a significant seasonal sale, offering discounts of up to 60% on a diverse selection of outdoor products. This is a golden opportunity for anyone looking to enhance their backyard experience. When embarking on a backyard makeover, there are several crucial factors to keep in mind. While budget often takes precedence in the planning stages, it's equally vital to consider the space you have available and the local climate, as these elements will greatly influence your design choices. Target's summer sale features impressive markdowns on a variety of items, including patio furniture, grilling tools, garden supplies, outdoor rugs, planters, fire pits, and outdoor lighting. Whether you're in the market for stylish outdoor dining tables, comfortable poolside seating, or eye-catching decorative planters, this sale has something for everyone. This limited-time offer allows homeowners to transform their outdoor spaces into personal retreats while enjoying significant savings. Imagine hosting summer barbecues or relaxing evenings under the stars in a beautifully furnished backyard. Best deals on patio furniture. Top offers on beach gear. Great discounts on grills and outdoor cooking equipment. Ashley Dill specializes in covering the online shopping sector, focusing on commerce trends. You can reach her at Adel at PennLive.com. It's worth noting that generative AI played a role in creating the initial draft of this article, which was then reviewed and refined by PennLive.com. If you decide to purchase a product or sign up for an account through a link on our site, we may receive compensation. By using this site, you agree to our user agreement and acknowledge that your clicks, interactions, and personal information may be collected, recorded, and/or stored by us and our social media and third-party partners in accordance with our privacy policy.